Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick apps and notifications. Now you will have to scroll down one more time and open the advanced options. Scroll down and select special app access. And now if you will go to the very bottom of the list, you will see install unknown apps, so just click on it. And here you can allow the sources from which some unknown apps can be downloaded. So just let me enable it for Chrome, from email, and you can enable it whatever you want. So if you will download this app via Chrome, just allow it in Chrome. So as you can see, you can also show system in this more icon, and you can allow it for all the sources that you need. And once it's enabled, you will be able to install some app from unknown source. And if you cannot find some interesting app in your app store, just do it this way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.